seriously hurting the public health of Metro Louisville. That's how the Louisville mayor views racism in this city right now. Greg Fischer says he has a plan to advance racial equality for the city's black residents.
I'm announcing today that I'm signing an executive order declaring racism a public health crisis in Louisville.
The executive order outlines 7 key areas for the city to address racial equity challenges like public safety, children and families, black employment, black wealth, housing, health, and voting. Now, we've been getting new reaction to this tonight. The Night Team's Jesse Cohen tells us how some see it as a move in the right direction. Others are skeptical that there will be any action.
Mayor Greg Fischer put his pen to paper, and now he's making promises.
My team and I are committed to promoting racial equity and social justice through every policy that is drafted and approved at all levels of Metro government.
After months of protests, some social justice advocates like Torrance Williams are questioning why now.
Where's the accountability? How do we know that what is being put forth right now isn't just words and that there's actually going to be action behind it?
Williams says for years, black people have been given empty promises of equity, such as fixing housing disparities and access. He doesn't want this announcement to be a repeat of that.
We want to see actual action, and we want to see progress.
Lyndon Pryor, the chief engagement officer at Louisville Urban League, says many details of this strategy already exist and are being implemented.
They're just kind of being restated here or represented here as if they are new, which I find to be a little bit problematic.
Which is why he says the action they really need is what's missing from this plan.
What the document is really light on is how are they making these things equitable?
Police reform has been at the forefront of fighting for justice in Louisville. One goal mentioned in the outline is to reimagine public safety, which Pryor says is not enough.
I don't really need them to imagine anything. I want them to actually do something about how we implement and execute public safety.
So while this strategy is not exactly what they hope to see, Pryor says they will use it as an opportunity for real equity.
We're going to figure out how we can maximize them to the best of our abilities for our community.
In today's briefing, before signing that executive order, Mayor Greg Fischer said that with his 2 years left in office, he plans to spend every day working with people and organizations to truly make Louisville a compassionate and equitable city. For the Night Team, I'm Jesse Cohen.